Hello everyone, I am from JOGANI Reinforcement. This is the pack of JOGANI Plaster 100 mm by 50 meters. Advanced alkali resistance glass fiber mesh for concealed area. Concealed area like electrical fittings, bathroom pipelines, where you can use 100 mm by 50 meter JOGANI plaster mesh to avoid or to control cracks. India's #1 and recommended by engineers. One bag with 25 packs of JOGANI plaster mesh 100 mm by 50 meters. Now I will open the pack and will show you how JOGANI plaster mesh 100 mm by 50 meters they are placed in this one bag. Now I will open this bag and will show you how JOGANI plaster mesh 100 mm by 50 meter placed in this bag. For more details, contact us on 9107-690-690. Visit our website www.joganireinforcement.com. Thank you.